Indonesia reiterates its support for the Marrakesh Framework for Actions. The new instrument provides a roadmap for adult learning and education within a lifelong learning perspective within a vital area of actions, which are policies, governance, financing, inclusion, equality, and quality, as outlines also in the SDGs. I would like to share with you the Indonesia's effort in pursuing the SDGs 4, especially for the adult learning on education. First, the government of Indonesia has allocated a minimum of 20% of the national budget for education. So whenever the government increase its budget, then budget for education will increase accordingly to stay at least 20%. And this make it possible for the ministry to continue increasing the budget for adult life learning. The second, we underline the importance of the strong and multi-stakeholder partnerships. It has been proven as a key for the successful implementations of the Indonesian innovative pre-employment card programs. It was reported by our representative in Morocco 2 weeks ago. So far, we are proud that it has provided positive impact on improving competence, productivity, employment, entrepreneurship, and income of 12.5 million beneficiaries, which we strongly believe will keep growing. We also ensure the equality to all. The ministry also has non-formal education streams equivalent to primary to senior secondary education level, especially designed for adults who have not had the opportunity to pursue formal educations. This program is also based on the blended learning model that combines online learning and face-to-face learning, especially during the pandemic COVID-19, and also equipped with the structured skills, including entrepreneurship skills. The next, the strengthening synergy between the TVET education systems, training institutions, business and industrial sectors. Business and industry now have greater input into the designs, the curriculums, provisions of instructors also, and also the assessment. We involve industry on that matters. And to allow the educations and competency skills to be more aligned with the market demand in specific sectors. We also have a specific entrepreneurship educations and trainings conducted to develop the entrepreneurship capacities and mindsets among adults. The Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology now has 2 major programs in this adult literacy education programs, the Employment Skills Education and Entrepreneurial Skills Education programs. We also continue the programs of literacy program, adult literacy programs. Our literacy rate among adults has reached 97.8% actually, but we continue to combat the illiteracy among adults, particularly among elderly, poor, women in the remote area. So we would like to make sure that everyone in Indonesia have the ability to read and write, regardless their backgrounds. Excellencies, ministers, distinguished colleagues, emerging challenges, social, economic uncertainties, and environment and digital disruptions, as well as the existing national and global gaps and disparities, highlight the importance of the effective implementations of the Marrakesh Framework of Actions. And despite progress, much more needs to be done. We underscore the need for strengthening the collaborations and partnerships across sectors. It is time to step up our joint efforts. We all have the responsibilities to ensure the effective implementations of quality adult learning and education that will provide a strong impact not only on the health and well-being of the learners, but also contribute to a cohesive, inclusive, and sustainable future for all. In closing, Indonesia stands ready to work with all of the members for the effective implementations of the Marrakesh Framework. Thank you.